Welcome to Trade a Stock. Today is June 3rd, and this is going to be a watch list for June 4th. Don't forget to sign up for our trade alerts and our watch list right here. First stock of the day, there's actually 7. There's actually 8 stocks on the watch list today. The first stock today is DQ. They are an energy company. As you could see, that there was pretty decent volume today, and it took out a high here and a high there. So basically came up about $5, closed at the high, broke the resistance up here. So this stock could keep going, but definitely watch it. I'm not sure, I didn't find any news on this stock today, so I'm not too sure why it went up, but chart looks pretty good. Next stock is MRTX. They had good results today, but they're still losing money. So I guess some results came out in the pharmaceutical era or the field, and there's some positive stuff about this company. But you could see huge volume, almost 5 million. Took out resistance here, there, and just it's still not overbought, so it's not even at 70 yet, almost there. So this does still have some room to run. Keep an eye on this. Next stock is EBS. They were awarded a contract today, so decent volume. You see the trend was just down all the way from 55 to 40, so about $15 almost straight down, and today it went up a little bit. So this could easily go right back up to 48 or touch the 50-day moving average. So keep an eye on this. If it does keep going down and it follows this trend, I'll get out right here at 40. So it could go even lower. Next stock is KL. Couldn't find any news on this at all. Keep an eye on this one. So there's huge volume today. It's not overbought yet. There is still resistance here. It looks like it's about to basically touch the resistance. So if it takes out these levels right here, this could go up even further. Next stock is SRC. Couldn't find any news on this at all either. Volume's decent, not huge, but a little bit more than average. It took out the resistance here. Keep an eye on this stock. It's just one of the charts that came across my eye. We got 2 more left. One is TEAM, TEAM. This is on the IBD 50. I couldn't find any news on this, but it did drop about $8 to touch basically the 50-day moving average as support. So you could probably buy here. If I had some cash right now, I'd buy here and then just sell if it broke the 50-day moving average on high volume. You may get a bounce tomorrow. So the last stock is UPLD. Once again, this is the IBD top 50, and you see it bounced here on the 50-day moving average, bounced here, and look where it is again. It's right here. So once again, just like TEAM, I would probably, if you do buy it here, and then have a stop loss right at the 50-day moving average or a little bit below it, just in case it takes it out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we actually have 8 stocks today on the watch list. The market was actually positive today. I think went over 100 points, and then came down and closed up 4 points, but better up 4 points than down 300. So let's keep an eye on these stocks for tomorrow, and hopefully make some money. All right, see ya.